Hi there, this is John Barton with JB Cases. This is our weekly showcase for Thursday, December 29th. So we are coming up to the end of the year, so this will probably be our last one for the end of the year maybe, unless we get some more in tomorrow. But let's go ahead and get started. This is a 4x8 black with red stitching and red pocket sides. And you can see we have a cue maker on here, and we have Action Sports Lounge and Billiards, and then for Hamilton, here we go. This one has a single strap and a red interior, and it's for Rusty. There you go. Very cool. Alright, next one we have here is 2x5 black and orange for Rourke. There you go, with backpack straps and orange stitching and an orange interior. There you go, 2 butts, 5 shafts. Alright, next one I have here is a gray and brown with a very cool little embroidery on there. So this one is gray and brown, 2x5, 3x4, and it's got a very cute, kind of cute little embroidery on here. Let me get this out of the way. Alright, there we go. And it's for Johnny with burnt orange, it's gray and burnt orange, sorry, with a burnt orange interior. 2 butts, 5 shafts. Alright, next one I have here is gray and teal and black. Gray and black with teal stitching for Eagle. Is that Eagle or Kegel? Eagle. And backpack straps, teal stitching on there. Teal zipper pulls here. Black zipper pulls here. Very cool. 3x6 with a joint protector and pocket holder that can go in here either way, wherever the customer wants to put it. Alright, the next one I have here is a cool case for Davini. This is a army green, black, and burnt orange. Very pretty. This is for Davini cues. You can see there, very nice. I love their logo. Pat Davini cues. And thank you very much. Put the JB Cases logo on there with a magnetic pocket. Very cool. Burnt orange zipper pulls. And a 3x6 interior in army green. Alright, moving on here. I'm going to turn the heat down here a little bit. This one here is for Lucky Chucky. Right there, you'll notice there's no handle on here. Very cool. And this is blue and neon green with a blue interior, 2x5, 3x4. Okay, here we have a high-end leather case. This is all leather, 4x8. It's basically all natural color saddle leather. Simple and elegant with a magnetic latch and a 4x8 interior. There you go. Alright, moving on here, we have navy blue and red and white 3x6 with a taller lid. This has white piping, red pocket sides. Got a cool little embroidery on there. I'm not sure what is that. Let's see. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks cool. And this has red stitching, red zipper pulls, taller lid, and the taller lid has a compartment right here, magnetic compartment. That's what it looks like, and then you just do this, and there you go. Very cool. Alright, next one I have here is a 2x5, also with a taller lid, black and blue. There you go, very cool. 2 butts, 5 shafts. Let's see what we're looking at here. With a ball holder in the lid. There you go. Very awesome. By the way, I saw something cool the other day. Saw somebody take the foam rubber that we put in here and DIY their own ball holder in the lid, and it worked perfectly. So there you go. You don't need to buy it from us. All right, this is a 4x8, green, gray and blue. Slate gray, black and blue here, navy blue, with JRP on the lid. Also with a taller lid, with a ball holder in the lid. So navy blue interior, ball holder in the lid. There you go. All right, next case I have here is a 3x6 black with red stitching with, what does that say on there? Barney on the top pocket. Very cool. And we got JB Cases on the top lid too, so thank you very much for that. We don't tell you to put JB Cases anywhere on there. So JB Cases is only found normally inside the lid and on the back of the lid right there to tell you the born on date. So anytime you guys want to embroider it and put it on, we are very thankful for that. There you go. Alrighty, and that'll do it for this week. So thank you guys very much. And remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, go to jbcases.com. We'll be happy to build it for you. Take care.